absolutely loving the new clear Kinzons. They give you an extra mechanic when you're doing fabulous designs. Let me show you how I used it. Some arrangements work better with dual mechanics. Today, using clear waterproof tape and the clear Kinzon. Now it comes with suction cups that you can put down in, but sometimes that rounded surface, it doesn't connect well. For that, I take and actually add a dash, U-glue dash, then pull that off and use that to adhere it to the surface rather than the suction cups, giving it a more secure setting. Then going back with the clear waterproof tape, creating a grid, and then once I get the grid, going all the way around to finish it off. With the mechanics in place, adding in fresh water pre-mixed with flower food, bringing it up to about 1 inch of the surface. Then I'm ready to add in the base materials. Hydrangea will be fabulous. A lot of designs now are foliage free, so using the blue hydrangea gives us a nice base that then conceals mechanics. Also a little bit of Dusty Miller. Yes, it's a foliage, but it's not green. So just tucking that in place. And jasmine vine, oh so fabulous. The white variety, can cut it down, just weave it in, and get a nice base to support all my flowers. With the base established, coming back and adding in blooms. Fragrant hyacinth, cutting it down, removing the side foliage, and then just placing it in, knowing it'll continue to grow and open. Tulips, this fringe variety, so fabulous. Tucking it in, making sure it gets down to the Kinzon to hold it more upright. Then coming back and repeating that. The allium, it's been dyed, just tipped with that pink, dropping it in. And heather, bringing in the more hot pink fuchsia hue, giving it a break, stripping the sides, and then letting it extend. With everything in place, adding that final touch of perfection, a phalaenopsis stem to balance. So the allium and such going off to one side, and then bringing the phale off to the opposite side to draw your eye through the arrangement. And then for a little bit of texture and interest, the dyed plumosa in this soft lavender will add just a little touch of softness and color to coordinate. The recipe, I started with the base, 2 hydrangea, Dusty Miller, and jasmine vine, which created a wonderful nest. Then I filled in 5 of the hyacinths, half a bunch of the heather, 5 tulips, 5 of the dyed allium, then tucking in 1 stem of the phalaenopsis orchid and half a bunch of the dyed plumosa. Springtime brings so many fabulous flowers and colors. Today, analogous with pinks to purples. You'll find so much more creative inspiration and education on the website, flowerschool.com. If you have questions, you can reach us through there. But now, it's your turn. Gather up your favorite blooms, find the perfect compote, and create away. Be sure to take a picture, post it on social media, and hashtag Floral Design Institute. That way we all can see what you do as you do something you love.